This is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we want to show you our power mobility showroom. As you can see, we have a large selection of Pride and of Golden products. We carry anything from 3-wheel to 4-wheel scooters. We give you the ability to come in, try them out. We can even show you how they break down. You can take them out into the parking lot, and we even have vehicle lifts to show you as well. This is our lift chair showroom here in Hermitage, Tennessee. As you can see, we have one of the largest selections in the Southeast. We have multiple colors, multiple styles. We have 1-motor and 2-motor chairs. Pretty much anything you need, we have it. They're not just a lift chair, they are a power recliner. So you literally can come in, find the style, find the color, and the type of chair you need here. Here's some examples of our lift and then our zero gravity chair. This is our ramp and stair lift section. As you can see, we have portable ramps, which are great for inside and outside the home. We have transition ramps and threshold ramps, which are great for door entries. We have a working stair lift unit. We show you how it works and how it is mounted, along with our modular stair lift section that includes a vertical platform lift. This is our mobility aid section. As you'll see, we have multiple styles of rolling walkers, rollators, knee walkers, and the accessories that go with it. We also have a great variety of wheelchairs, anything from a weight capacity of 450 all the way to a basic transport chair. And we also have accessories for cushions and things like that. This is our bathroom safety section. As you can see, we have a large variety of transfer benches, shower chairs, and bedside commodes. We also have a great selection of different sizes in grab bars, raised toilet seats, along with one of the new items we carry made by Shower Bay, which is a portable system that can go in any part of your home. This is our compression garment section. As you can see, we carry some various Jokes and a couple of the other main manufacturers. You can actually come in and we will fit you for your stockings. We have different styles, whether you run, whether you want merino wool, or you just want your standard sheer or opaque, we have you covered.